Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Yes, ako'y nagbabalik sa Tagalog love reading after yung recent post ko na English love reading. Okay, and today ang gagawin natin ay new love reading dahil new season na ngayon, season ng Leo. Ayan, so hello sa lahat ng Leo dyan. Happy birthday sa mga Leo na nakasubaybay ngayon. Alright, so gusto mong pasalamat sa lahat ng fire signs. Okay, at itong reading na tayo para sa inyo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And sobrang appreciated ang suporta at pagmamahal na binibigay niyo sa Mystico Moreno. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading after nung mapanood hanggang dulo. At sa mga bago, kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin, nag-resonate yung mga readings, at nagugustuhan nyo ang mga love readings na ginagawa ko, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing. Also, I would like to invite everyone to follow my Instagram page at Mystico Moreno sa IG. Okay? Maraming salamat. Okay. Sige, so bubunot ako ng 5 pairs. Okay? 1 card from this deck, another card from here for 1 pair. Okay? And then, interpret natin ano yung inyong love reading, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ngayong new season, Leo season. Okay? So, yeah. Balasahin ko lang to, then let's begin. Gusto kong i-remind ang lahat, as I always do in my channel, that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. If whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, pagpilitin. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi para sa inyo yung reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? And best to book a personal and private reading sa akin. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko if may mga inquiries kayo about personal and private love readings. Okay, sige. So, I'll get the 7th card dahil July pa rin naman ngayon. Okay. So, lilay down ko na yung 5 pairs. Okay. Alright, so we have the 5 pairs here, and then later on I'll get an oracle pair as well as advice and final message from the universe. Okay, so let me just finish shuffling this, tapos bubunot ako ng 2 pairs din. Final message. Okay. Alright. So, we have the oracle pair here as well. Ayan. Sige, let's begin. So, first pair for your new love. Oh, okay. I think here, what I'm seeing for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, kung kanino man nagre-resonate itong reading na to, can see here na recently merong tower moment na nangyari between you and someone else, a person na you would consider now as a past person, and yung relationship na meron ka with this past person is very, very burdensome. Alam mo yun, sobrang nakakapagod, sobrang parang ikaw lang yung nagdadala ng relasyon, ikaw yung gumagawa lang ng lahat, ikaw yung nag-e-effort, ikaw yung nagpapakita lang ng support, walang reciprocation. So, ang dating sa'yo is parang naging full responsibility mo yung relationship. At dahil napagod ka na, and eventually you gave up from this unhappy relationship. That's why there was a tower moment. There was a sudden change, and the change is separation between you and the past person. And I can see here na dahil dito, you allowed yourself to entertain new love, and I guess nafe-feel ko dito na sa mga susunod na pairs lalabas yung new love. I think this is just parang yung reason bakit new love is entering your life, because something ended and now there's a new beginning, a fresh start for you when it comes to love and relationship. Okay, second pair. Yeah, Five of Wands and Page of Swords. So, yeah, there's someone who will initiate contact sa'yo, and I can sense that this is the new person. And then, this new person, parang nalaman niya na you're free. Malaya ka na, single ka na ulit. And, kikita ko dito na na kilala mo na tong person na to dati pa. So, I would say that this person is some sort of abangers. Inantay lang niya or inabangan lang niya na maging single ka ulit. Matagal ka na niyang gusto. Pero, out of respect, okay, inantay din niya na maging single ka before siya pakita ng totoo niyang motive or express yung totoo niyang nararamdaman sa'yo. Okay? And kaso nakikita ko dito na maraming magiging conflict. Maybe because dahil kilala din nitong person na to yung past person. And I can see here na sa first few days, weeks, or months ng initial contact ninyong dalawa nitong new person, there will be some conflicts. I think that even the past person would still try his or her best to win you again. So, merong magiging conflict, especially on you. Not really conflict na parang magkakaroon ng gulo or mag-aaway itong dalawang person na to, pero more on your end na ayaw mo na dun sa person in the past, pero dahil mangungulit ito na to give him or her another chance, tapos dumating itong new person na nag-express ng feelings niya towards you, medyo magkakaroon ka ng dilemma. So, that would be the conflict. And, ayun, medyo mahihirapan ako ng konti kasi another person from the past would want to take another chance, and another person ito, new person, would like to do the same. So parang, ayun, mag-aagawan sila sa attention mo. And, ayun, yun yung nakikita ko magiging conflict kasi pareho silang ipupursue ka. Okay? And kahit ayaw mo na dito sa past person, medyo mangungulit pa rin siya. So, I guess yun yung magiging challenge mo to really tell the past person to really let go of you and move on na. Okay? So, medyo mahabang hair ang peg. Pero hindi siya masaya actually kasi medyo magugulan ka ng konti. Okay, pag dumating itong new person. Okay, because the past person will still try to win you over. Okay? Sige, next pair. Yan. Okay, takpan natin yung Queen of Coins dahil siya ay naked. Okay. Sige, Queen of Coins and Pentacles. Okay. I can see here na eventually you will decide to really stop or end the connection with the past person and welcome and entertain and focus on this new person. With the Death card here, it's an ending leading to a new beginning in your life. So yeah, totally yung past person, he would be assertive na ayaw mo na, enough na, tapos na, wala nang chance. And because you've eventually decided na ayaw mo na rin talaga nung ganong kind of relationship na hindi ka masaya, na unhealthy, nakaka-stress lang. But now you're seeing this new person kasi na magpo-provide sa iyo ng different perspective when it comes to love and relationship. And here with the Queen of Coins, the card behind, it's actually a card of abundance, a card of maturity. Okay? And alam mo yun, yung magiging sort of tangible lahat. Makikita mo yung in action. Meaning na whatever this person says, he or she will do. Whatever the person promised you, ayun, tutuparin naman niya nitong tao na to, nitong new person na to. Kaya, i-entertain mo rin talaga yung idea to try this new relationship coming into your life. Hindi mo pa sinasabi din, hindi ko nakikita din dito na right away magko-commit ka, pero you'll give this person a chance to prove himself, a chance na ipakita nga yung mga bagay na pinangako at sinabi niya, at patunayan niya na iba siya dun sa past person mo. Okay? Sige, next pair. Oh, see? Yeah. With the Empress here and Six of Coins, yeah, there will be a lot of reciprocation here. The Empress card has this energy of nurturing love, sobrang caring, sobrang affectionate, sobrang thoughtful nitong new person. And nakikita ko dito that gagawin niya din talaga lahat para mapatunayan sa iyo na he or she has good intentions towards you. And with the Six of Coins, it's actually a card of generosity, reciprocation. So this person, very generous to sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi lang sa material, but also in showing you love through whatever love language that this person possesses. Like, kung love language niya ay gift, so very generous siya when it comes to material things, alam mo yun, maregalo, alam mo yun. Pero if ang love language niya ay service or time, yeah, same thing. Lagi niyang ilalaan yung oras niya sa'yo, ipapakita yung support, and if love language niya ay physical touch or words of affirmation, gagawin din niya yun lahat ng sobra-sobra, alam mo yun, na parang you will really feel loved by this new person, which is, yeah, I mean, it's really good na eventually you decided, or you will decide to take this opportunity then as well to experience this new love na way better from before, from the past. Okay. And final pair. Yeah. See? Yan. So, with the Nine of Wands and Queen of Swords, which is a good thing kasi eventually talagang fully malalet go mo na yung past relationship. Kung before, may konti pa na parang naglilinger yung energy, or minsan may mga thoughts ka pa or naiisip mo pa itong past person, eventually talagang mawawala na siya. And because Nine of Wands is a card of like determination and resilience, and from whatever heartache or pain na naranasan mo from the past, because of this new love na very nurturing and caring, para talagang fully mag-heal ka and malalet go mo na yung idea din na love is painful, parang ganun. Kasi may nasisense ako na may ganun kang tendency na parang ayaw mo nang mahal. Dati nung kasama mo tong person na to, kasi bakit ganito. Pero eventually, yun nga, nung na-let go mo siya and meet mo to at binigyan mo ng opportunity, yung new love to enter your life, yeah, everything will be better. And with the Queen of Swords here, Queen of Swords is a card of loyalty, honesty, in a way na talagang alam mo na itong person na to is someone that you can depend on, that you can trust, because whatever he or she says, talagang pinaninindigan, ginagawa, at alam mo yun, hindi mo na-feel na every time nagsasalita tong person na to or nagbabato ng salita sa'yo, kumpara dun sa dating person na hanggang salita lang, walang gawa. Okay? Ito, kung ano yung sinabi, gagawin. Kung ano yung binitawan ng mga salita sa'yo, this person will deliver. Okay? And yeah, very, very smart din tong tao na to. Ito yung tao na masarap din kausap, dahil pag kasama mo siya, very hindi naman to the point na sobrang nerdy type na ganun level, pero alam mo na may smart conversations. And I can see here na bukod sa smart conversations, may fun conversations din. Yung ano mo yan, may magandang sense of humor din itong person mo. Okay, that's the energy that I see here. It's a very good energy, and yun din yung siguro gusto ko iparating din sa'yo ng universe din talaga sa mga fire signs na nasa ganitong situation, na talagang ang mga bagay na hindi na para sa'yo, let go mo na, para yung life mo will be blessed and makapag-welcome ka ng something new. Kasi di ba nga, pag puno pa yung kamay mo at ayaw mo i-let go yung mga ibang bagay, hindi ka makaka-receive ng bago dahil puno pa yung kamay mo. Pero the moment na bitawan mo yun, your hands are empty and it's now ready to receive new things, okay, from the universe, like this new love. Okay, so tingnan natin yung advice ni universe. Final message, Oracle. See? Strength and truth. Okay? Diba? So, ito lang din. It's like the Queen of Swords energy na yung parang nakikita ko din dito, gusto niya parating sa universe na yung sa isang masayang relationship din, the strength is honesty din talaga. And that, bukod sa yung uh, truthfulness ng isang tao na through actions, it's really good din talaga na very open ang communication. Kasi I think yun din yung naging pagkukulang ninyo in the recent past or with the past person, na kulang sa proper communication. Kaya ang daming mga bagay na hindi na pag-usapan, na hindi na resolve dahil nga hindi siya properly in-express, walang proper communication, walang even katotohanan sa mga binibitawan salita, dahil nga ayun, may binitawan pero hindi nangyayari. So that's also not really honesty, di ba? And yeah, it's a very good reading, and I'm happy for all of the fire signs, lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading na to sa inyo, dahil yeah, this Leo season, yeah, this new love will really make you happy. So claim this energy, and as I always say here, use this reading with discernment. I'm just giving you some insights and guidance sa current situation ninyo. Nasa sa inyo pa rin, hawak niyo pa rin naman ang inyong kapalaran. We all have free will, and ayun, decision niyo pa rin naman yung mangyayari sa inyo sa hinaharap. Okay, so yan, maraming salamat. Ako muli si Mystico Moreno, and abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading dito lang sa aking channel. Kita-kits! Ingat!